Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of NFL. You will go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NFL and you can click here. Then you will click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem as you see. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.